from Energize Health and Fitness, and today I'm going to show you what exercises you can do with a medicine ball. Most of these exercises are functional, so you're using your whole body. You need to use your legs, your arms, your back, your front, your whole core. So it's an excellent workout, gets your heart and lung going, also works your muscles to their extreme. Hope you enjoy it. Remember, before you start doing these exercises, you need to be fit and healthy. If you've got any heart and lung issues, or you feel a little bit in doubt as to whether you should be doing them, then please consult your doctor. I'm doing them currently 5 months pregnant, but I know what I'm doing, so it should be okay for me. So we're going to do it from the side to start with. You're going to do a forward lunge with an overhead reach. Shoulders back, tummy tight. Step forward and reach above your head. Step forward and reach above your head. From the front, notice how my knees and toes should all be pointing straight forwards. If you want to increase the demands placed upon your body, then you bring a step into play and you step onto it. So from here, you come forward, reach up. Try and get a good deep hip movement. You can do it single-sided to get a hang of it. And then you can move into alternate. There we go.